Welcome back to another video. Just recently I had a friend of mine who keeps an extremely clean house like me and does not drop food on the floor tell me that every so often they will see a roach in their home, better known as palmetto bugs here in Florida. They're huge, they're like this big when you do get them. They also have roach bait stations placed in common areas of their home, such as under the refrigerator, under the kitchen sink, in the bathroom, etc. They also applied bug-killing granules around the perimeter of their home, which helped, but it still did not eradicate the roaches completely. In this video, I'm going to show you what I do, and it works perfectly to stop and prevent any roaches or palmetto bugs from entering your home. This method works extremely well on older homes, especially older homes with septic systems like me or cesspools. It will also work on older homes connected to city sewers. Most people do not realize it, but one of the biggest ways that roaches find their way into your home is through your sewer system. You can have hundreds or thousands of roaches living inside your septic tank. They don't have to crawl out of your drains either. As a matter of fact, it's extremely difficult for that to happen because there's traps filled with water to prevent them from entering your home. Of course, you can have a trap that leaks, then yes, roaches can come through your drain into the house. Now, as a home gets older, settling does occur. Sewer lines underneath your slab can move enough to allow small spaces to open up in cast iron sewer lines. You can also have the lid to your septic tank that does not close tight. Both of these instances will allow roaches to enter your septic tank and sewer lines to find their way from the soil around the pipes up through your slab around the pipes in your home. What you need to do is locate the clean out plugs on your sewer line. I have two, one here in the front of my house and another on the side, which you'll see in a minute. I added the clean out on the other side. Once every 3 months, you're going to remove the plug and apply this roach gel that you see right here, made by Combat Max. You're going to put enough of this gel on the inside of the cap, and you're going to screw the cap back down. You're going to do it on both of your clean outs. If you have a 2-inch clean out on the wall of your home behind a sink, also unscrew that. When that gel is placed there, the roaches will feed on the gel, take all that chemical back to the nest, and you will eradicate all the roaches in your sewer line and septic tank. It has to be done every 3 months. Let's open this up and I'll show you exactly how to do it. If they do come out, we're going to find out in a minute. Nothing. No roaches. Clean as can be. Now, when I purchased this house years ago, this pipe was loaded with roaches. Now you see, I also, when I bought the house, I glued in with silicone this Combat Trap. The Combat Trap worked okay, but I don't recommend using it. Just do what I'm going to show you right now. Of course, you're not going to have that Combat Trap. So when you unscrew your cap, you're basically going to take this gel and you're going to put it all around the edges of that cap. And I'll show you on the other one because it does not have this Combat Trap. But what I'm going to do now, you see the spaces on the side of the trap? I'm going to fill all that with gel. That was filled 3 months ago. So let me take a little bit of this. See that? I'm going to do all 4 sides. This I think is empty now. Almost. This one's done. Let me get another one. This is pretty cheap, about 10 bucks. The best 10 bucks you'll spend to keep your house roach free. Okay, see that? I'm going to do one more over here. All right, so this one's good. Take the excess off right there. Now what I also like to do, not only put it right here, but this goes down about 1.5 feet. I'm going to take a paint stick, put a big blob on here, put it on the side wall going down, smear it. It's going to attract them towards that clean out plug. So let's just put a nice blob. Like that. Now I'm just going to reach inside and smear it on the inside of the pipe. Done. Take this, filled with the roach gel, put it back in, and then we're going to go on to the other side. It'll be much easier for you to see exactly how it's done on the other clean out. Okay, any roaches in here? One. I see one over there. But you know, if there's one, there's more than one. This is empty. This was filled with that gel. So you're going to have to refill it. So let me show you what to do on this cap. Now, if you don't have this recessed area, you could put a thick bead around the edge. I'm going to be doing both. So I'm going to go like this. Put the gel there. Make sure it sticks good. Okay, I can go between the bottom if I want a little bit. I want to make sure they have a nice feast on this. Okay, and then just around that rim on the edge, just go like this. Put a bead like that, just like you're caulking. A little bit more in the center. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Just fill it up good in the corners, around the bottom, that whole perimeter. When you screw this back in, it will not fall off. The roaches will walk up the sewer pipe into this cap and start feeding, and then it wipes out the whole nest. Put this back in. Now there's one more thing I also do, which also makes a big difference. Go on your roof, locate the vent pipes, and you're going to do the same thing as I showed you earlier with the paint stick. Put a big blob on here, and you're going to reach down as far as you can. Get a 5-gallon paint stick. Don't use the smaller one. Reach all the way in, and then you're going to put a big smear on the sidewall. Any roaches living inside this pipe are going to eat this, and it will kill them also. Put a nice blob here. Okay. I have 3 vent pipes, so I'm going to reach in and just smear it. Go down low. Good. I'm going to put a little extra just for the hell of it. Don't drop the paint stick down there. That would not be good. Okay, so that's done. If you do this and everything else that I just showed you, I guarantee you any roach problem in your house is going to be gone. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this tip. If you did, be sure to rate, thumbs up, and share. Thanks for watching.